This is Belladin. This is my kitty. And a lot of people have asked me about kitties and the garden. And what do you do with the garden? Huh? What do you do with the garden? So he doesn't eat the garden itself, but he likes to chew on this plant that I have on the side. And other people, I've had experiences, two different main experiences. One, you can put tin foil on the bottom.
Oh, the water just turned on.
It did. You can put tin foil on the bottom of the tower garden, and that will give you, the cat won't walk on tin foil, and it'll reflect some of the light. Or one of my clients just made amends with the cats, and the bottom 2 levels were for the cats, and the top 3 levels were for him. So that's another option. Or put something on the side that he can kind of gnaw on. That's another option. That's kind of the option I've done, and then just swat at him when he gnaws on it because it's fun. So I wanted to point out, this is our kale. We have not done anything with the tower garden, not a thing, except harvested once. I harvested some kale from a salad the other day from the last video that we did. So this is the one that I harvested heavily, and look how many leaves are on it already.
When did you do that?
Check in the last video. Maybe a week ago? Less? I think it was less than a week ago. So we've had some great growth. And then I have all of these little plants that we have not replanted. We ate them as sprouts. So I have broccoli seeds. I got a bunch of broccoli seeds because broccoli, sulforaphane, is actually in broccoli sprouts. That's really good for you. So I'm just going to put these directly in the tower garden. So I'm going to put like a small little handful in each one of these little pots just to replant them. Because sprouts, you eat as little baby sprouts. So you need to replant them often. So help me keep track on which ones I planted.
Be the cameraman and pay attention to what I'm doing.
What? Duh. So I'm going to plant a bunch of seeds, which is a lot more than I normally would put if I was planting broccoli. And you can see that a few of these we did not eat as sprouts. And we're just going to leave them and see how they do. So it is a test. Possibly not do this at home, just because it's made for sprouts, not full plants. But we're going to test it out and see what happens, because that's what I like to do. I'm going to put some more in there.
She's a scientist.
I always test. So if you have questions about the tower garden, I'm a great one to ask because I've been testing it for a few years now. So I put some in there.
Look how much cilantro we have already. We
And
made
this,
salsa like a week ago, and we already have enough cilantro.
we have harvested cilantro twice. Big harvests. Not just like 1 or 2 little stems. We did it on a salad. We did it in pico de gallo. And I think that's it. I'll throw a few in this one. Some up top?
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to get a few more seeds. Up there. So yes, we have not done anything with this garden except enjoy it, watch it grow. And so I'm turning it because it's easy that way. And then you can see what it looks like on all sides. It's happy on all sides because of these amazing lights. And it doesn't get any outside light where we're at because we live in a garden apartment. So we don't have a whole lot of light.
Was that a pun?
Ah! It wasn't meant to be, but yes. Yes, it was. I'm going to throw a few more seeds in there. So having a wonderful afternoon. I just wanted to give you a little heads up on my beautiful tower garden that is like 7 weeks old and flourishing. We've harvested a few times and we're thoroughly enjoying it. So this is Nikki Golly with Fuel Your Body. Have an amazing rest of your day.